Come with me today as I explain how I meal plan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So I meal plan a little bit differently than most people do. I look through what we have, and this time of year I am kind of going through our freezers and our pantry to make sure that we went through everything that we stored up last year from our garden and from grocery store sales. I went through our freezers and I noticed that there's a lot of things that we haven't used up, and so we're going to kind of do a pantry challenge for the next couple of weeks. We're going to try and get through everything, not get through some things that we've stored up. And so I'm meal planning for the week, and this is what I've meal planned. So earlier I went through both of our freezers. We have a meat freezer and a veggie freezer. I pulled everything out of those and dug to the bottoms and wrote everything down in my freezer inventory sheets and my pantry inventory sheets, and you can get those printables for free. I'll leave a link below. They've just been really nice to keep on my iPad, but you can print them out and you could even tape them to your freezer and keep track that way. It's just really nice to know, because with deep freezers stuff gets kind of buried and you forget, at least I forget what's in them. So I found a lot of things in the depths of those that need to be used. We have some beef from a cow that we bought actually 2 years ago that need to be used, and some veggies from our garden that need to be used. And I'm kind of keeping that in mind as I'm planning our garden, that maybe we don't need to do quite as many. Like, we had a lot of peppers, bell peppers left over. Maybe we don't need to plant quite as many this year. I don't know, I'm still deciding. And then in our pantry, we still have long times worth of pickles, so I probably don't need to plant pickling cucumbers this year unless my husband wants a different type of pickle. But we have one bag of green beans left, so I know we need to plant a little bit more of that. But anyways, I'll get into that in another video. This is about meal planning. And so I looked at what we had and I tried to pick meals that we had pretty much everything for. Let's see, I planned taco salad, which really the only thing we need for that is we're out of sour cream, and so I need to go pick up another thing of sour cream. Honey mustard chicken, let's see, breakfast for dinner, so hash browns, biscuits and gravy and eggs. We have everything for that. Shredded beef tacos, like birria tacos. I just need to make tortillas. Let's see, Hawaiian haystacks. We just need mandarin oranges for that. And green enchilada soup, which just sour cream. And so when I'm meal planning, I go through what I already have, because anyways, it's just this cycle that I have. So when I'm thinking about what we're going to make for dinner, I look in our fridge, I look in our freezers, and I look in our pantry, and I try and plan meals that we have almost everything for them. And I write down the few things that we need from the store in my grocery shopping list. So this week it's just sour cream and mandarins, and then I will pick up milk and cheese because we don't have dairy cow, and so we need those things. And then we have a weekly budget for our family of 7. I try and stick to under 125 a week. I look through the store ads and I see what's on sale, and I write that down in the left column of my stock up list. If there's a good buy price, like if chicken, I know in my area, if chicken goes under $1 a pound, I'm gonna buy as much as the store will let me. Usually my store has about a 4 package limit and other things. And as you get more used to this, I used to carry around a little price book. Several years ago, I would write down if I saw, that's how I got to know like what price to buy certain things at when it was a good deal, because they'll advertise. I mean, I've seen things say sale, and it's like a penny off, and that's not really saving you any money. So I use most of my weekly grocery budget to stock up on things when they are on sale, so I'm not paying full price for things. And so like a couple weeks ago, I got pork loin, which I know my family eats, and it was $1.25 a pound. So I bought the limit. I think I bought 4 packages of that. And now I don't have to buy that because we eat one of those maybe once every 2 weeks. So for 2 months, I don't have to worry about buying those, and I know that I got the best price on those. On my meal plan sheet, I have written down my meal ideas. I'm looking down, I have my iPad in my lap. Each week I pull out all of the meat that I'm going to use and stick it in the fridge, so it's always thawed. And then I have a little section that says staples to make, because I am trying to make as many of our staples from scratch as possible. And then I'm not the best at it. On Saturday and Sunday, I take time on those days to prep the staples for the week. So if we need tortillas or bread, so if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments and I can make a more detailed video about this. I know I'm a little bit scatterbrained and jump from topic to topic, so let me know what I missed. And I wrote a detailed meal planning blog post, and I will leave that down in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time. Bye.